Hello, I got a Kenmore dryer here. It won't work when you hit the button. I got it plugged in and everything. I found out the problem is a micro switch that we have right here. You can see it right there. The little lever broke off of it. This is the piece that broke off. I'm going to glue that back on there to fix it. But just to show you, see, it doesn't line up. With the door. Set off that switch. I hope you can see it. You can check this by just hitting it with your finger and pushing the button up there. See, it works. Take the finger off it, it shuts off. And I don't know if you can see the model number I have here with my camera. That's what I got. If you need to replace that switch, there is 2 screws under there. You take those 2 screws out after you pull the lid off. With a screwdriver. But you have to take the lint trap off first, like that. Take the 2 screws off, which I've already done. See, they go right there. Take those 2 screws off. Take a screwdriver, put it in about here. You can see that plastic piece under there. It just pries up like that. You might want to unplug the power. You should unplug it. Lift up the lid. The switch is right there. You just pull that plug off and take the 2 screws out from the bottom, pull it out and change it. You can also check this with a meter. You should have continuity between this wire and that wire when you hit the switch. Alright, that's all I got for you.